In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mobile phone numbers inside GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so your new number is ready for calls and texts in your account. First, sign in and open the specific GoHighLevel subaccount where you want the number to live. Make sure you have the right permissions and that billing is set up, since purchasing a number requires an active payment method in your workspace. From the main dashboard, head down to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is the control center for your location, and it's where the phone features are managed. Inside Settings, find and select Phone System. If you don't immediately see it, you might need admin access, or your account owner may need to enable telephony for your subaccount. On the Phone System page, look for the option to add a new number and choose Add Number. This is your starting point for purchasing a line that supports the features you need. Next, pick Add Phone Number to open the purchase window. You'll see filters that help you narrow down what you're looking for. Select your country first. Availability, pricing, and requirements can vary by region, so it helps to know whether you need a local mobile number, a toll-free option, or something specific to a city or area code. Use the search or filters to choose a number that fits your audience. If you plan to send texts, verify the number supports SMS. For voice, confirm call capability is included. Consider matching the area code to your customers for higher answer rates, or choose a national or toll-free presence if you operate broadly. When you found the right fit, click Buy Your Number. You'll see a confirmation prompt that outlines the monthly cost and capabilities. Continue through the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase and add the number to your account. Depending on the country, you may be asked for address or identity details. That's normal and helps meet carrier and regulatory requirements. Once finished, your new number appears in your phone system list. From here, it's ready to be used in conversations, campaigns, and workflows. You can come back to this page anytime to review numbers, add more, or make adjustments as your team grows. That's it. You opened your subaccount, went into Settings, selected Phone System, added a number, chose the country and line you wanted, purchased it, and completed the prompts to add it. Follow these steps each time you need an additional mobile line, and you'll keep your communications organized and ready to scale.